Hello, we are the team LabPilot. So today, me and my team, we are working on a project to help the laboratory to speed up on their data processing. First is the problem. What we realize that there's such a big demand on processing. There's lots of data that laboratory has, and currently they have some lots of issue. For example, especially on embedding for AI tool and agents. So currently, then this is what we develop. Why our tool LabPilot is a good idea? First, that we can sharp the clinical wedge, and also we can speed up the process way more faster. This is our main advantage. So we can talk about more in the next page that we use the Daytona technology, and we can make the speed for 74 times faster than the current data processing. Also, we use the sandbox to make sure all the data are safe. So this is what we build,
Yeah, what we build is we have the BV-BRC model, and then we also have the data. So once we inject the data, we send it to Daytona Sandbox, which runs an H100 GPU server that very fast, like 10 times faster than running on CPU, and is immediately able to process all the data using a biomodel. And then after that, we use Fireworks to analyze the reports of the data, and using Copilot Kit, we can display everything on the main deck, and we can also chat about the data and generate graphs and stuff.
So here are some key data that you might want to take a look at. So for current lab CPU, for processing the same amount of data, currently is using 115 minutes. However, after you process the data using our tool, which is LabPilot, that you can shorten it up to 93 seconds, right? So that's 74 times faster than the current embedding. And what else we do in this tool is that we consider, not all the researchers in the laboratory are good software engineer, right? So we develop a dashboard to help with the visualization. So we use the Copilot Kit to build an interactive dashboard, and also we embedded a chatbot for better data check. So you can ask whatever questions for those data that you upload for processing. And again, we have the Daytona Sandbox in case for the data leakage. So that's another advantage that the lab researchers that would like to use our products. Okay, now we would like to show you the actual dashboard that we built.
So this is our dashboard. As you can see, you can upload any bio data here, and then we can chat about it. So
and you can connect to the current API from the data center as well.
Yeah, let's try with a sample data set.
Yeah, we already put some sample data to upload.
So you can see that it's immediately processing it with Daytona GPUs and everything else, and then it's able to generate and have report on the clustering and the genomes and all that information, and it also have like top insights, key insights, and all that.
Yeah,
and then we can also, if you want to go to Copilot, we can chat about it. So tell me about the cluster. So it will analyze quickly, and then it will tell me everything about the cluster
and the data.
And then using Copilot Kit, we can also make it. We can also very quickly make interactive charts and interactive UIs on everything. As you can see here, we made pie charts, bar charts, and it makes it way easier and like very good visualization. And as we can see, all the bacteria here.
Yep. So we already give our repo. So we welcome you to take a look and test it out. We just hope the tool will be very useful.
Yep. Thank you.
Thank you.